Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my 1-month journey with the Honor Magic V2. Having used it extensively, I have got some real insights and experiences to share. So my first impression of the Honor Magic 2 is that when it's unfolded, it's holds the title of the thinnest smartphone ever, measuring a 4.7 millimeters. That's pretty thin, not to mention that it's even lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and still thin. When you fold it, it's just 9.9 millimeters. It truly stands out, making other foldable phones appear bulky in comparison. Handling it day to day has been a breeze, making each interaction seamless and enjoyable. It's not just a device, it's a sleek companion that effortlessly fits into my lifestyle. Exploring the Honor Magic V2 reveals two spectacular displays. The cover screen has a 20:9 aspect ratio, which is 6.43-inch OLED panel, mimicking the feel of a standard smartphone. When you open it, it becomes a 7.9 inches tablet screen, perfect for multitasking or media enjoyment, transitioning seamlessly between the two. Both screens have a 120Hz LTPO display with the Honor's 3840Hz PWM dimming technology, ensuring fluidity and reduced eye strain. The sharp resolution and vibrant visuals enhance browsing and gaming experience. There's a difference in brightness between the two screens, with the exterior reaching 2500 nits and the interior 1600 nits, but the exterior screen is more than sufficient outdoors. Tech enthusiasts will value the high touch sampling rate and minimal bezels, maximizing screen area and responsiveness for an improved visual experience. The Honor Magic 2, exclusively available with 16 GB of RAM, operates on Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. It supports UFS and with Bluetooth 5.3. It scores an impressive 9800 on Antutu, showcasing its remarkable capabilities. It smoothly runs Google Play, allowing me to use YouTube and download games for my free time, making it a versatile companion for both productivity and entertainment. It handled everything like a champ. Actually, I like the parallel space. It lets me run two copies, same app simultaneously, and imagine playing two games at once or managing different accounts with ease. And the performance is still top-notch. The user experience has been pleasant. The software is packed with features and customization options. I particularly love the ebook mode for reading and the ability to have a quick app menu for multitasking, and the eye comfort features for those late night scrolls, a blessing. Battery life is a crucial, and the Magic V2 doesn't disappoint. It houses a 5000 mAh dual cell battery with a unique silicon carbon design, meaning it's thinner, lighter, and lasts longer. Plus, it supports 66-watt fast charging, so you are juiced up in no time. The camera array on this one is seriously versatile. The back features a house setup for a foldable phone, flaunting a 50-megapixel main wide camera with OIS and 40x digital zoom, alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 20-megapixel telephoto camera, also with OIS. And for the selfies, we have got two 16-megapixel wide cameras on the front screen. Whether you are a vlogger or just to snap the moment, having the cover screen preview with the main cameras is downright transformative. The pictures are vibrant and making this a dream gadget for photography lovers. With the intuitive motion sensing capture, just a tap on this icon and activating auto capture is all it takes. It's then able to detect rapid movements using AI and smartly captures the highlights. I'm sincerely impressed with how exquisite the results are. It's almost unreal, like I have added myself into the frame. To validate, I even recorded the entire process to demonstrate it's all automatically executed on the phone, saving only the finest shots. It's a truly innovative feature. Having lived with the Honor Magic 2 for a month, I must say it's a well-rounded foldable smartphone. It blends cutting-edge technology with practicality, offering a seamless and versatile user experience. It's lightweight, powerful, and the display are a joy to interact with. However, there is always room for improvement. I would love to see enhancement in software stability and having more apps optimized for the flex mode would be great. And our global launch would be the cherry on top, right? The Honor Magic V2 is available in 3 distinct variants, all equipped with 16 megapixel of RAM. Currently, it's exclusively available in China, but rumors suggest a global release at the start of 2024. The price begins at 9,000 RMB, approximately 1234 in USD. Alright guys, if you have got any questions or thoughts, hit up the comments below. If you enjoy the video, drop a like and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, stay connected and stay curious.